Moving on now, Chinese tennis star Peng Shuai has reappeared. The International Olympic Committee has released a statement with an image attached of what was said to be a 30-minute video call with IOC President Thomas Bach. According to the IOC, she's safe and well. The IOC statement read, and I'm quoting here, "At the beginning of the 30-minute call, Peng Shuai thanked the IOC for its concern about her well-being. She explained that she is safe and well, living at her home in Beijing, but would like to have her privacy respected at this time. That is why she prefers to spend her time with her friends and family right now. Nevertheless, she will continue to be involved in tennis and the sport that she loves so much." Now, the statement goes on to state that at the end of the call, IOC President Thomas Bach invited Peng Shuai for dinner once he arrives in Beijing next January, which she gladly accepted, and the two agreed to include Emma Tero, chair of the IOC Athletes Commission, and Li Lingwei, who has known Peng Shuai for many years now from her time in the Chinese Tennis Federation. Earlier on Sunday, a journalist affiliated to Chinese state media had also posted a video clip on Twitter showing Peng Shuai smiling while standing with officials at a tennis tournament in Beijing. The Women's Tennis Association had doubled down, accused China of sweeping Peng's allegations of a sexual assault swept under the rug. Now, the statement by the WTA chairman notes that its relationship with China is at a crossroads. The Women's Tennis Association has threatened to end lucrative contracts with China unless it gets word of Peng's safety. Steve Simon, the WTA chairman, said, and the CEO says, and I'm quoting here, "I'm glad to see the videos released by China's state-run media that appear to show Peng Shuai at a restaurant in Beijing. Now, while it is positive to see her, it remains unclear if she is free and able to make decisions, take actions on her own, without coercion or external interference. This video alone is insufficient. As I have stated from the beginning, I remain concerned about Peng Shuai's health and safety." Her reappearance comes amid international concern about her well-being after her explosive claims of sexual assault. On Sunday, France's Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian called on Chinese authorities to let the tennis star Peng Shuai speak publicly to clarify what's happening to her, or otherwise warned that there would be diplomatic consequences for Beijing. And on Saturday, UK urged China to provide verifiable evidence about the tennis star. UK Foreign Office said in a statement, quoting yet again, "Extremely concerned at the apparent disappearance of Peng Shuai," adding that Beijing should urgently provide verifiable evidence of her safety and whereabouts. The United States and the United Nations too demanded proof of Peng Shuai's whereabouts. Earlier, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said President Joe Biden's administration wanted China to provide independent, verifiable proof of Peng's whereabouts and expressed deep concern. The former world top-ranked doubles player had not been seen publicly since 2nd of November. She had accused former Vice Premier Zhang Guoli of forcing her to have sexual intercourse with him. They later had an on-and-off consensual relationship as well. Neither Zhang nor the Chinese government have commented on her allegation. Peng's social media post was quickly deleted, and the topic has been blocked from discussion on China's heavily censored internet as well. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.